Hello kids! How are you? I'm fine and I'd like to make with you Abruzzesi Ferratelle. How do you say in Italian? Ferratelle? Esatto, sono proprio le ferratelle, che però in abruzzese si chiamano pizzelle. We need the following ingredients: 700 grams of flour, 400 grams of sugar, 250 grams of seed oil, 300 milliliters of milk, 5 eggs, a packet of yeast for cakes, lemon zest, flour, a packet of yeast for cakes, sugar, lemon zest, five eggs, milk, seed oil, we're ready to cook. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 Abruzzesi Ferratelle. So yummy! Buone ferratelle a tutti, sono buonissime! Ci vediamo presto, see you soon, goodbye!